In today's video, I'll show you how to download a Base44 project in just a few quick steps. This is a simple process, but there is one important requirement you need to know first. You must have a premium subscription to do this. Once that's confirmed, the rest is very straightforward. If this video helps, please take a second to hit like and subscribe for more software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Base44 and go to the project that you want to download. Make sure you're inside the correct project before you continue, because the export option will apply to whatever project you currently have open. Next, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the three dots menu. This is where Base44 keeps additional project actions and settings. After that menu opens, select Export Project as Zip. This will package your entire project into a downloadable zip file so you can save it to your device. Once the export finishes, your project will be downloaded and ready to store, back up, or move wherever you need it. And that's it. That's how to download a Base44 project using the export option. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next guide.